A linear block code summary: C is equal to DG, G equal to IP, H is equal to P transpose I, CH transpose equal to 0, syndrome equal to RH transpose. Hope all of you can recall all these things, whatever you have discussed in the previous chapter. Binary cyclic codes. Cyclic codes form a subclass of a linear block codes. Cyclic codes are attractive for two reasons. What are those? Encoding and syndrome calculations can be easily implemented using a simple shift registers. These we are going to discuss with examples, with the feedback connections. Secondly, these codes have a fair amount of mathematical structure that makes it is possible to design codes with a useful error correcting properties. Read it once or twice. Take a 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Read it twice. I'll wait for another few seconds. Read it. Let me go to the next. A binary code is said to be cyclic if it satisfies these following two properties. Linearity property: sum of two code words is also a code word. Cyclic property: in any lateral shift of a code word is also a code word. Just note down these two properties, or you can read it twice or thrice. A linearity property: a sum of two code words is also a code word. A cyclic property: any lateral shift of a code word is also a code word. Example, we will see it later. Let us go to the next slide. An n, k linear block code C is a cyclic if every cyclic shift of a code word in C is also a code vector or code word in the C. Example is shown. A C1 equal to, say, 0, 111, I do the right shift. Hey, observe here. Right shift. So I'll get a 10, 111, This one will come this side. So like a rotation it is. Okay, we call it as a shift only, and it is also a code word. So just go through, and in general I can write V equal to V0, V1, V2 like that. When I go for right shift, Vn minus 1, V0, V1, V2 I'll get is also a code vector. If you want, you can copy down, or you can read it twice or thrice so that you can remember. A n, k linear block code C is a cyclic if every cyclic shift of a code word in C is also a code word in C. One numerical example is shown to you. 0, 111, right shift, I'll get a 10, 111, If it is also a part of a code word, then definitely I can say it is a cyclic code. So let me go to the next. This property of cyclic codes allows us to treat the elements of each code word as the coefficients of a polynomial of degree n minus 1. For example, the code word v can be represented by a code polynomial v of x equal to v0 plus v1x plus v2x square up to vn minus 1 x raised to n minus 1. What are these v1, v2, v3? these are polynomial are zeros and ones. These coefficients are maybe 0 or 1, and they belongs to a binary field with the following rule of addition and multiplication. So just read it twice. We use a polynomial in a cyclic course, and we are going to discuss with a numerical example in the next slides. Now a theory part we are discussing. In general, we are writing v of x equal to v0 plus v1x plus v2x squared plus v3x cube plus vn minus 1 x raised to n minus 1. So we are going to discuss with some examples in the later slides. Now in general, you just read it, try to understand. If you understand, well and good. Otherwise also, with the numerical example, we are going to discuss in today's class. Let us go to the next slide. Zero plus 0, these things are known to you, and 1 plus 1 equal to 0, and even multiplication also known to you. Just glance once. Take a 15 seconds or 30 seconds. All of you know all these things we have already used. 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 1 equal to 1. And mod 2 addition also we have discussed. Mod 2 arithmetic we know. Just as a revision. So let us go to the next. Yeah. Now we will talk about the code polynomial. Let c equal to c0, c1, c2 up to cn minus 1. The code polynomial of a c we can write c of x. In some books they write v of x. Both are same, don't get confused. Whatever I told, the same thing, v0, v1 x, v2 x square, like that. Some books they say c, n, c0, c2, like that, where the power of x corresponds to the bit position and the coefficients are zeros and ones. One simplest example is shown. For example, here 1, 0, 1, 000, 1 means 1 plus x is 0, x square, x cube is not there, x4 is not there, x5 is 0, x6 is there. So wherever 1 is there, that I will represent here. Similarly, the second one. I want you to understand these two, copy down these two. I'll wait for 1 minute. So any zeros and 1 combination is given. Start from 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x4 plus x5 plus, like that. Wherever 0 is there, don't write. Wherever 1 is there, you are supposed to write it. And sometimes if they give a polynomial, you should be able to write in terms of bits. If they give a bit combination, you are supposed to write in terms of polynomial. You should be able to do both, from 0 to 1 to polynomial, from polynomial to zeros and 1 combination. And take another one combination, your own combination. Write down in the polynomial form. Write down in the polynomial form. Let us go to the next slide. Okay, all of you type your answer in the chat box fast. X plus x equal to, okay, somebody has typed 0, somebody has typed O, I think 0, O, okay, 0, everybody is typing 0. Bharat, Amrita, Shivani and Sumit, Vijayalakshmi, Chandrakala, all are typing 0. Devidas Nayak, very good. I thought somebody will type 2x, but nobody is typing 2x. Even though I shown 2x as the answer, nobody is typing 2x. Anybody is typing other than 0, x plus x equal to? I said it's a mod 2. Mod 2 algebra is a heading. X plus x equal to, it's not a 2x, it's a 0. Even x square plus x square equal to, x square I'll take a common, 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 into anything is 0. It is a common, you just use it like this. and x cube plus x cube plus x cube 3 times, these two will cancel, only one x cube will be there. So this is a one important point which you have to remember in this particular chapter. Copy down. Try to understand. X plus x will be 0, x square plus x square is 0, x cube plus x cube is 0. In generally remember, even number of times if I am adding it is a 0, odd number of times if I am adding, 1 will remain, whatever you are adding, that one term will remain. Remember, one last line, in most of the time, mod 2 algebra, addition equal to subtraction, because x square plus x square equal to 0, x square minus x square is also equal to 0. Hence, in case of mod 2 algebra, we never bother about a plus or minus. Answer will remain same. This is one important point. Hope all of you will remember. Let me go to the next. Okay, this is known to you. X square, x into x is a x square. Similarly, x square into x square equal to x raised to 4 and so on. Let me go to the next. Yeah. Find the product using mod 2. X plus 1 into x cube plus x plus 1 I had to do. I had to use a mod 2. Let me show you the first step and remaining I want you people to do it. Type your answer in the chat box. Even the answer is wrong, I will be happy to see your answer. You can write down in terms of x cube, if you cannot type x3 you can type, no problem. I gave one sample example. I want you people to multiply, even you can write in terms of zeros and ones. Otherwise you can type x square plus x plus 1. Cube, if you cannot type x3 plus x plus 1, I will understand it as x cube. Take a minute, multiply these two in mod 2. Let me see who will write a answer in the chat box. Right or wrong? Who will try first? Okay. Take another 1 minute. Try to multiply. All of you know x cube into x will become how much? All of you know, like that, a normal multiplication, but ensure that at the end you have using a mod 2. Okay, thank you Simran. x4 plus x cube plus 1. Simran Varnekar, thank you. With the right or wrong, we'll see it later. I appreciate because you are writing your answer. Bharat, x4 x cube plus x square plus 1. Okay Bharat, thank you. Abhishek, Nayak Lohit, x4 x cube x square plus 1. Nayak. Shivani Edhaldi is typing 0. Okay, we'll see it. And Chaitra, x cube plus 1. Saujanya, x4 x cube x square. Abhay Bhatt also same answer, 4 3 2 1. Let me see others answer. x4 3 2 1. Geeta, Shivani, Shruti, Priya, Nivedita, x cube plus 1. Rohit, all. Karthik 4 3 2 1. Ritika 4 3 2 1. Sai Manthan, Shilpa, Pragati, Vijay Lakshmi 4 3 2 1. Means x4 x3 x square plus 1. Okay. Let me write another step on the Amrita. Both Amrita has typed 4 3 2 1. Okay. And let me show you the one step so that you can compare. What I got is this. This is second step. Tajuddin has typed 4 3 2 1. 4321. Preeti, Venkatimat. 432 2x plus 1. Okay, Preeti, never write 2x. X plus x is not 2x. Suhasini, Preeti, thank you for your answer. It will be x plus x equal to 0. Just now I have told. So please try to remember, because it's the first class, we will get confusion, no doubt. I'm sure both of you will remember. Never type 2x. Wherever 2x comes, it's a 0. Thank you, Preeti. And Ankit Shetty, Siddharth Lakhi. Answer is visible to you people, and most of them they are written. Correct answer. x4 plus x cube plus x square. X into bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 will be 0. Hence the answer will be equal to 4321. Correct. X is not there. Most of the students they have given the same answer. Thank you for that. Here and there some students have changed the answer. Please recheck your answer where you went wrong. Just check it. It's the simplest example. We are doing it so that this becomes a part of a problem later. Now let me go to the next. Okay, Shahasan has typed, Vidya Kalakiri, Rohan, Chaitra, Suhasini, and now let me go to the next. f1 of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1. f2 of x equal to x4 plus x square plus x plus 1. Find f1 of x into f2 of x. Multiply these two using a motto addition and type your answer in the chat box. Take x cube plus x plus 1, x4 plus x square plus x plus 1. Simply multiply those two. And all of you know how to multiply. But only one point which you have to remember in your mind is, it is a mod 2. Wherever x square plus x square comes, it is a 0. So using that mod 2, we have to write the final answer. All these things are typed by me. I not copied from anywhere. These things are typed by me only. Those who are interested to learn, they can learn now only. It helps them to do the preparation. Okay, Shivani, Abhay, Bhatt, Aditya, everybody is typing the same answer. X raised to 7 plus 1, Jahnavi, Abhishek, Vinay, Nayak Lohit, Sai Manthan, Varsha, Adnya, Nivedita, Shruti, Devidas. Everybody is typing x raised to 7 plus 1. Vidya Kalakeri, Shripa, Chaitra, Suhasini, Paramashwara, Priya, Tajuddin, Shilpa, Ritika, Bharat, Rahul, Raj, Prithviraj, Vijay Lakshmi, Preeti, Spurti has typed x raised to 7 plus 1. And Jay Surya, Saujanya has got x raised to 7 plus 1. Devraj, Gaura Haveri has got a x raised to 7 plus 1. I think most of them they are typing the same answer, including Rohit, Prajakta, Ankita Shetty, Z raised to 7, Prajakta, maybe x raised to 7. Rohan has typed x raised to 7 plus 1. Even I too got the same answer, x raised to 7 plus 1. Hope all of you understood how to multiply. Now we will see how to divide, okay, using a mod 2 only. And let us go to the Mallikarjun Patil has typed now. Very good. Shahasan has typed, Siddharth Lekhi, x raised to 7 plus 1. Everybody is getting so good. Let me go to the next. Divide f2 of x by f1 of x. It's like a normal division only how you do, but you have to take it is a mod 2. You have to use modulo 2. So type your answer in the chat box. What you have to type? You have to type a quotient as well as you have to type r of x. You can type q, then any polynomial, r followed by some polynomial. Your time starts now. Take a minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I want you people to type your answers in the chat box. Okay, I'll take a minute to copy the content to my file so that it will be easy for my reference. Let me check if somebody has typed the answer. You can type Q followed by a polynomial or followed by a polynomial. Even though it is wrong, no problem, because I have not yet taught you. Let me see how you use your mind, even though teacher has not taught completely. But all of you know how to do the division. What might be the Q of x, what might be the R of x. Even the answers are wrong, no problem. Because first time you are doing in this semester now. Just type it. And I'll show you the answers. Even the answers are wrong, not to feel bad. Thank you, Shruti Mali, Janavi. Thank you. Q. I think both answers are same. Shruti and Janavi. X cube are equal to 0. Both of them they got. Let me check others' answer and let them give another 1 minute for other students. Let them try. Tajuddin, Shilpa, Pragati, Praveen, Charan, Simran, Suhasini, Sai Manthan, Vinay, Ritika, Ankita, Shetty, all are getting the same answer. A Q equal to X cube, R equal to 0 they are getting. I think Harsha Nagling has typed X cube and 0. Spurti, BM Spurti has got the same answer. I want everybody to complete it so that it helps to understand the later steps in this particular chapter. As Shivani Kulkarni has done, got same answer. Thank you, Shivani. And I have uploaded all the videos including ITC, Python in YouTube. I want you to go through that. If any suggestions are there, always welcome. And I have given some work to the representatives. They can ask me after the class or some other time. They can call me and they can ask. Even I too try that. The content of that video I have to type 3-4 lines. The subheadings I have to type, so that it will be easy for the students to go through that particular video wherever they have a doubt. Shripad has typed Amrita H. She got the same answer. Okay, let me show you the answer. So, into x cube, just do it, you will get an answer. X raised to 6 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube. And plus minus both are same. The answer is x raised to 5, x raised to 4, x cube plus x square. Those who couldn't do, they can go through this. And then now I have to take x cube into something so that it should become x5. Something what should be x square, so that it will become x5. When I multiply, I will get x5 plus x cube plus x square. And now continue, x5 get cancelled, whether add or subtract, both are same. Then I will get a x4. Then I want multiplication. What I want multiplication? Just very good. Everybody is typing now answers. Answers are changed. Very good. Bharat has typed x cube plus x square minus x. Don't take minus. Never use minus sign in our discussion. Reason is minus is equal to plus, because 1 plus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. That is what we had discussed. Please continue. Tell me the R, tell me the Q. I will pause here. Again, I will give you the time. Even though your answers were wrong, not to feel bad. I am happy to see your answers, even though wrong, because always how you think, your efforts are very important. Our teacher used to tell when I was in SSLC, failures are the pillars of success. Success often comes to those who dare and act. It seldom goes to timid. It's a one sentence. When I was in SSLC, my English teacher used to tell, failures are the pillars of success. Success often comes to those who dare and act. It seldom goes to timid. So please try. Okay, Bharat has typed. Suhasini has typed. And now answers are different. I think Suhasini, Shivani has typed. Reminder, x square plus x she is telling. Okay, we'll see. We are all human beings. We have to learn. Beginning we may do wrong things, but I'm sure at least now you can try. Now also you can't do it, no problem. I'll show you the complete answer. Let me allow you to make use of your brain. Sripad has typed x cube plus x square plus x. Shahasan, x cube plus x square plus x. Okay, now their answers are different. R equal to x square plus x, Nivedita is typing, and everybody is typing x cube plus x square plus x as a cube. R is x square plus x, everybody is typing now. Okay, let me show you the answers. Thank you for your answers. Devidas, Preeti, Manaka Timad, everybody's answer is now the same. We'll see, is it correct or not? Answers are same. Okay, let me continue what I have shown. Yeah, into x. X4 plus x square plus 1. Yeah. What I got, q of x are same. What our students are telling, x cube plus x square plus x is a q of x. And r of x equal to, I got x square plus x. I want those who are feeling difficulty, they can copy down. I'll wait for a minute. They can go through. Don't say, sir, minus you have not written. Already 4 times I have told. Minus equal to plus. Addition equal to subtraction in mod 2. Reason is 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is also equal to 0. Take another few seconds. Try to remember. If you still feel difficulty, copy down, understand. Because this is a fundamental, this is a base for our chapter. Addition and multiplication, division, if you understood, for a polynomial, chapter is almost over. Because these becomes a base or fundamental to discuss the encoding and decoding part. So let me go to the next after another 2 seconds. When to stop the division? When to stop the division? Anybody can type in the chat box. Sir, I am dividing. कब बंद करना है, कब stop करना है? Any one line answer in the chat box, or you can unmute and you can tell the answer, no problem. Both are welcome. You can, Rahul, less than dividend, thank you. Anybody want to tell another line? You can make another sentence and tell some student. Be active, even though it's a wrong. Feel happy because you dare to say that. When power of a remainder less than dividend, thank you, Abhay. So degree of a remainder is less than dividend, Sripad, thank you. Abhishek Kulkarni has told the same thing. R power is less than Q. Is it correct, Priya Patil? R power is less than Q. Think on that. And if nothing is left in the dividend, no, Vinay Giriam never correct, but no, nothing is left. It's very easy to say, but sometimes I may get x square plus x like this. It's a common it's very simple to understand when to stop. So hope all of, this has not come, I didn't save. When this becomes less than degree of this, whatever we have x cube, here I have x square, so I have to stop when it becomes less than x cube. Remainder is less than dividend, power of r of x is less than divisor. Okay, many students are telling the answer. Thank you, each one of you. And let me go to the next. Show that if f of x equal to x4 plus x plus 1, show that f of x whole square equal to f of x square. Copy down the question. I'll show you the first step what to do. I want you people to continue and type your answers in the chat box. Thank you all students, including Jay Surya, Devraj, Vidya, Suhasini, Mishri Koti for your answers. And let me show you the first step what to do. F of x equal to x4 plus x plus 1 is given. Then f of x square equal to simply x into x is a x square. Like that, simply I will multiply. I'll write the answer. I want you people to type your answer in the chat box. Take another 1 minute. Try to type your answer in the chat box. Abhay Bhatt has typed. Very good. Just I am copying chat content into the Word file. Jahnavi, Nayak, Prithviraj, Praveen, Sumit, Nivedita, Priya Patil all have typed the same answer. X raised to 8 plus x square plus 1, Siddharth, Devidas, Nayak, Vinay Girimnevar, Varsha Angdi, all have typed the same answer. Let me show you the answer also. Chandrakala has typed, Saujanya, Mallikarjun, Abhirup, Geeta, some names are coming after a long time. Ritika, Shilpa, Tajuddin has typed the same answer. LHS equal to RHS, Chaitra has told, thank you. And Shahasan has got the same answer. X raised to 8 plus x square plus 1. Yeah. Now, f of x square, wherever x is there in the given f of x, type fill x equal to x square and write the answer. Wherever x is there, fill x square and write the answer. That answer will be also equal to x raised to 8 plus x square plus 1. Hence, LHS equal to RHS, hence it is a proof. So, take a few more seconds, copy down, understand. Hope all of you got the idea how to multiply, how to add, how to divide, so that when you go for encoding, decoding problems, you feel comfortable and you will do all these operations without doing any mistake. That's the reason we have discussed. This is not actually a syllabus. Next, for the encoding, decoding procedure, this is a prerequisite. Hence we are doing it. Polynomial addition, multiplication. Otherwise you should not ask how you got, sir. Let me go to the next. Non-systematic cyclic codes we will discuss now. After that, systematic. And in linear block codes, we have discussed C is equal to D into G. Now, we use a V of X for a code word and V of X equal to D of X into G of X. Where we say non-systematic, why we say a non-systematic? Reason is, if we cannot distinguish or separate a parity bits and the data bits, we say non-systematic. Take a one line, take a heading, non-systematic cyclic codes. Take a one word, how we do it, V of X equal to D of X into G of X. Why we say non-systematic? because data and parity bits cannot be separated. Let me go to the next slide. Let us take one example. Consider generated polynomial g of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1 for a 7-4 code. Generate the codes all. We'll do it for 3. Remaining can be done similarly. Copy it on this problem statement. Now find out v of x equal to d of x into g of x. G of x is given x cube plus x plus 1. Take a d of x. Once you take 1 0 1 0, second time take 1 1 0 0, third time you take 1 0 1 1. Type the 3 answers one by one. First, copy it on the problem statement. Consider generated polynomial g of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1. The same problem statement we use repeatedly so that it will be easy to compare. For a 7-4 code, generate a codes. All the code words you have to generate when you get a time. But now at least a 3 will do. A 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. V of x equal to d of x into g of x. D of x you take 1 0 1 0 first time. Multiply the g of x. Type your answer in the chat box. A 1 0 1 0 into x cube plus x plus 1. This is nothing but 1 plus x square, because x is 0. Wherever 0 is there, I will not consider. Therefore, I write directly 1 plus x cube, x square into as it is. Multiply. Again convert into zeros and ones. But when you are doing so, write them from lower degree to the higher degree. I'll show it for 1. Remaining you can do it. Remaining 2. Write down in terms of zeros and ones. Complete all the steps I have shown to you for one case. Remaining 2, I want you people to type in the chat box your answers. I did it for 1010. I want my students to do it for 1100 as well as for 1011. I cannot distinguish between this. See, 1010 here. I cannot check. I cannot see it. Hence, it is called as non-systematic. Abhishek has typed 1010, 111, 001. Similarly, I want others to type for 1100, 1011. Take 2 minutes and do it. All the steps I have shown you, even step by step, as if I am writing on the board, I am showing you in the slides. Take 2 minutes and do it for 1100, 1011. Abhishek Kulkarni has done for 1010. I think Bharat did it for 1100. 04 ones. Bharat Kulkarni is getting. Let me check with the other. Abhishek Kulkarni also got the same answer, 04 ones. Maintain the neat notes. Remember, it is for you. Not to cheat the teachers, doctors, lawyers. That is nothing but you are cheating yourself. Abhay Bhatt got the same answer, Abhishek Kulkarni, Rahul Raj, Bharat Kulkarni. Nivedita, Charan, Shivani, Idhalli. She did it for 1100, but she got 10111. Why answers are different? Again, students are getting this answer 1100. Geeta, Chaitra, Prajakta 10111 they are getting. Previous answers were different. Priya Patil got 10311. All are getting 10311. Again, Shilpa got 4 ones. One example I have shown you all the steps how to write. And remember, when you are writing, you have to start from 1x cube like that. When you are doing it 1 to 0 0 1 to x to 1, that polynomial to zeros and ones 1, that I have shown you. Just one example. 10311 Mallikarjun Rohit is getting, but some students they are typing different answer. After a few seconds, I'll go to the second example. I'll show you the answer. You can cross verify. And remember the important thing, the number of bits in the code should be how many? 7, because it is a 7-4 code. How many bits are there in the code word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But how many should be there? 7. What to do? Anyone of you can type? What to do? Simply append a 0. X raised to 6 is not the, simply append a 1 0, and remember this, a total number of bits should be 7. I think Preeti has done it for 1011. It is a 11 00 111. Preeti is getting. Abhay Bhatt is getting 111 0 111. Okay. So all steps I have shown for the one example. I am asking you to do a remaining 2. But still many students are not getting the same answer. Let me check answers. 1100, find out a C. These are the steps. These are all the steps I am writing. 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4 I got. And in terms of zeros and ones I got 10311. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I got. Add, append 2 zeros. So that total number of bits in the code word should become 7. Copy down this. I'll give the 1 minute. 1011 I'll show you. Thank you for your answers. Shivani, Suhasini, Mishri Koti, Ajna, Vinay, Shruti, Tajuddin, Simran. All are typing the answers. And Nayak, Janvi, Shivani Kulkarni. I will show you the answer in the next slide. Those who have done wrong for 1100, I want them to copy down. Devidas, Nayak, Nivedita, Priya Patil, and Amrita H. Everybody is getting the same answer, all ones for 1011. Let me check, is it same I am getting or not? Chaitra, Praveen Patil, Devraj Yaminur, Karthik, Jaisurya. Some names I am not at all getting. So no doubt those are students, I think, not attending. They may be attending just... okay, so Shahasan, Shripad has got a different answer, I think. Only Shripad has got last bit 0. But others are getting Ankita Shetty, Bharat, Shilpa, Samrani. All are getting all ones. Vijay Lakshmi, Mallikarjun Patil, Siddharth Likhi. Some students are not at all typing their answers as if they are busy with other work. Rohit, Geeta has typed a different answer. Abhishek Kulkarni has typed the same answer. All are typing. Only 1 and 2 answers are different here and there. Let me show you the answer for next. 1011. 1011 into x cube plus x plus 1. 1 plus x square plus x cube into x cube plus x plus 1. And 1 plus x cube, I will reverse it. Then I will just multiply and I am rewriting. And if both x cube 2 are there, I will cancel. If 3 are there, 1 x cube will remain. This is the answer what I got. So this is 1 plus 1, okay, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 I got, and compare your answer. I don't know why somebody is writing a 0. I don't know how many bits are there. If 7 bits are there, it's the end of it. If 6 bits are there, you can type Jaisurya 3 4 5 6 ones and 1 0 is there. I don't know why. And check, Geeta is getting different answer. Please cross verify your answer. Steps are very simple. Even all the steps I am writing on the slide as if I am writing on the board. Step by step I am showing you. Please check it. Even something is wrong with me also, let me know so that I can do a correction in my slides also. But majority, including most of the students, and my answers are same. I think my answer is correct. So let me go to the next. Detection at the receiver. We know that v of x equal to d of x into g of x. Then d of x equal to v of x divided by g of x. This is a simple equation, you just copy it out. It is known to you. First equation you have taken already. V of x equal to d of x into g of x. Now you type or write down d of x equal to v of x divided by g of x. All of you know how to divide. Dividing also you know. Simply take the same answers what you have got. V of x divided by g of x, you are supposed to get d of x. That's all. A reverse process you are going to do it now. Let received code word received as all ones. Just now you have done it. Next step is, that is v of x equal to, this is a polynomial. Then what I have to do? G of x is known to us. Simply divide it. D of x is given by d of x equal to v of x divided by g of x. Copy down this and try to divide it. We'll see what you get equal Q and R. You can type in the chat box. Anybody is getting the answer? Okay. Another few seconds. Let me go to the next slide. I want answer from you. What is the R of x, Q of x? All of you know how to divide. Rahul Raj has typed Karthik x cube plus x square r equal to 1, sir. Rahul Raj r equal to 0. What about Q, Rahul? Shilpa has typed x cube plus x square plus 1. You should understand, use your common sense. Code word is correct. So what should be the R? Use your common sense. Vidya Kalkiri is getting x cube plus x square plus 1. And Ritika, Ankita Shetty, Ritika typed R equal to now. Aditya, Jaisurya, Charan, Devidas, Simran, Ajna, all are getting a x cube plus x plus 1. q equal to x cube plus x square plus x. Geeta, Abhirup, Jahnavi, Preeti, all are getting same answer. Let me show you. Into x cube. Okay, Vijay Lakshmi got same answer. Prajakta, Nivedita, Suhasini Mishri Koti got the same answer. All the steps I am showing you as if I am writing on the board. Try to understand. Again I am multiplying. Again I am writing. Addition and subtraction both are same in this mod 2. Shahasan, Shruti, Suhasini get the same answer. Prithviraj got the same answer. But still some names are not at all coming. Chaitra, the same names will come again and again, but those who are silent, they are not at all typing. Anyway, when you come to the college, I'll give you the word file. You are supposed to show your names in that. You can count how many times your name is there in the same file. When you search it, you will come to know how many times your name is there. Shivani, Rohit, Siddharth, Amrita H, Abhishek Kulkarni, Gaurya Haveri. Okay. Most of them they are getting same answer. X cube. Now R will become automatically 0. X cube plus x square plus 1 is correct answer. Harsha has typed now. Praveen Patil has typed. And this answer, compare your answer, what I got, what is your answer. A detection at the receiver, copy down. The received code was this, and data was x cube plus x square plus 1. Low to higher, write down 1011. Similarly, do it for remaining 2. Anybody can take another 2 code words. They can try. We can take that as a homework. Take a code word for 1100, take a 1010 code word, do the reverse process. The code words you have, you should get back 11001010. And usually this coding and decoding we will not use. Just for the discussion, it is there in the book. Let me go to the next. Systematic cyclic codes are important. One important point you remember, if they do not mention whether it is systematic or non-systematic in the problem statement, by default it is a systematic. Copy down this particular equation. How to find out the parity bits. R of x equal to x raised to n minus k into d of x whole divided by g of x. Sometimes I may use a uppercase, sometimes I may use a lowercase. Don't get confused, both are same in my presentation. With the numerical example, we will discuss systematic cyclic codes. But remember, most of the time, if they do not mention systematic or non-systematic, by default, it is a systematic only. In the question papers, in the books, everywhere. So let us copy down one example. Discussion we will do in the next class. The generated polynomial of a 7,4 cyclic code is g of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1. Find the code words for all the data for data 1110 using a systematic form. Remaining we'll do it one by one. First we'll do it for 1110. Copy down, I'll give you another 1 minute. The generator polynomial of 7-4 cyclic code is g of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1. Find the code words for a data 1110 using a systematic form. By default, it is a systematic only, even if they do not mention. Okay, those are copied, they can leave the class. Thank you for attending. Take care, be safe. We'll continue the problem in the next class. Thank you.